Hey there, this is Jack here. So today's video I'm gonna show you how to boost your Android phone sound option or how to increase your any kind of social media sound option on the device. So let's start with this video, guys. Well guys, the very first thing you do going to be boost your volume option on your any kind of a smartphone. You have to install some apps from your phone anyway. You're going to open up your Play Store first anyway. Now going to tap the search box here and going to be type volume booster Groovy anyway. Make sure about that here is the apps and going to be clear about that one. Now I'm going to install this apps from your phone anyway. And they're going to be needed for a couple of times. Make sure about that you have a stable internet connection, because without internet connection the process is not going to be work. Well guys, as you can see, all the process is going to be down here. They're going to be scanning for the virus anyway. I'm going to tap to OK, tap open option from here. Well guys, the very first you're going to be tap allow option from here. As you can see, the option called boosted. Here is the option called, guys, you have to need it for do this work. At the first option going to be the volume option here, and exactly here is the volume to your phone anyway, how many volume you're going to be using right now. And the mention is going to be important things from here, the boost option from here. Here's the option called boost. You're going to be enable this one. You can enable the boost option for 100% as well, but make sure about that your speaker capability is going to be normal anyway, because you're going to be boost your speaker from a lot of times, but your speaker not going to be capable for the sound anyway. For boost, your speaker is going to be dust anyway for any waste. So what you need to do, going to make sure about that your boost going to be first for 15 or going to be 12 to 15 option from here into this times the number. Your boost is going to be perfect anyway. Now going to be enable like the volume option, whatever up to down, it's not a active anyway. If you go back from here, I'm going to open up your YouTube from your phone. Now I'm going to be get better volume from before anyway. I'm going to be going to be this one as well. For copyright purpose, I'm going to down the sound. As you can see, my volume is going to be much more high from this before anyway. I'm going to test the boost option going to be here. Now I'm going to be tap to using my YouTube. Volume are going to be much more high from that one anyway. So guys, here's the process how to boost your volume option or increase your media volume option on any kind of smartphone. So if this video will be helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay with us. Thanks for watching, guys.